Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome protocol ProfitTok, which is a brand new chat GPT plus TikTok software that churns out pro level short videos 24/7 using AI and plaster them to TikTok by turning into our personal ATM using chat GPT and makes us $300 per day profit. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus amazing bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Welcome to ProfitTok, the first ever TikTok autoresponder. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All you have to do to log in with your TikTok profile is to just scan this QR code right here, and then that's it. And done, we are in. We can now go ahead and check out my profile on TikTok. And then we can see I haven't posted anything yet. And then we can go ahead and post something. So let's select our profile. And then let's write a caption, or you know what, even better yet, I'll have OpenAI write the caption for me. So let's do something like so I have a video about a video game that I've played recently, and I just want them to generate a caption for me, and we'll give OpenAI some time to do that. And I really like this caption, so we'll keep this caption as it is, and we're just going to add the video, and done. So we have the video here, we have the cool caption written by OpenAI, and we can just go ahead and post immediately. And let's go ahead and check out our profile here. We'll reload. And surely enough, here it is. We can access it, we can listen to it. And we have the really cool caption here as well. So everything is exactly as we've scheduled it in ProfitTok. Now, everything that ProfitTok can do doesn't stop to just posting on TikTok and generating captions using ChatGPT. You can also schedule your posts as well as using our built-in URL shortener to make sure you have maximum engagement for your videos, as well as putting in minimal effort. And with a built-in file manager, as well as caption generator, and not to mention an included watermark generator to make sure that all of the content you post is watermarked and 100% unique, ProfitTok is an absolute no-brainer. So check out the first TikTok autoresponder today, and I cannot wait to see you inside.
So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.